happened is, I've just asked Raheem if we can do this, and we are going to do this. Those people who party the most are going to win the drinks. So I think we the Smokey is on premium. So if you're not on premium and you want to try Smokey, now have the chance to win a drink. So please welcome. This is Raheem. Say hello to Raheem. From Raheem, there we are. Let's look at your drinks in here. Let's have a look at what's in your. Smokey, all the way from the Indigo. The healthy garnish. Alright, can we please get this in a happens, people. Right, who wants one of these? Come on. No, can we have that, please? So Raheem, you're going to go that side, and you're on this side. Whoever wants this, now's your chance to dance. Before, now is your chance to see the magic happen. Now David, you keep an eye out on anyone who's dancing the craziest and you're going to hand out the drink and maybe you can't have it. Here we go. It's filled up with magic. Keep it going, brother. People on support side, who wants it? Give me a cheer! I see it in that, yes. David, keep a look out, keep a look out. 3, 2, 1, Raheem, release the magic. Let's give Raheem a big round of applause. going to make some cosmopolitans, is that correct? Cosmopolitans. This time, there's two. So if you want a cosmopolitan, here we go. Raheem, over to you. Have a great cruise. So give me a cheer, have a good cruise so far. Try again, have a good cruise so far. Lovely, alright, so what the best way you can do to the crew, do some chocolate, to do some shopping, chocolate on the bed a little bit. Or we'll take part into a bit more special, we do a navigational chart auction where you get a special one-of-one edition your navigational chart, which is hand signed by the amazing bridge team of your itinerary this week. All money goes straight into the crew welfare fund that goes towards home comfort for your crew members away from 11 months or more, makes home or this new home on board. That extra special. But anyway, we're going to go back to Raheem now, making some more funky cocktails.
Keep her hair out of her eyes.